Hello everyone, this is Renu and our today's topic is verb. In this video, we'll learn what is a verb and how can they be classified as transitive or intransitive verb. Mainly, a verb is a word that shows an action in a sentence. Action words are called verbs, but sometimes it tells us what a person or thing is or states. As I read the newspaper daily. Here, what is verb? Read, because it is telling us action in the sentence. And action words are said verbs. She is playing. Here, what is action word? Playing, because it is telling us action in the sentence, and doing words and action words are said to be verbs. She is playing. Here we have a helping verb also, is. The verbs that play the role of helping verb, they are also the part of verb. Means they are also verbs. A verb can state or help a sentence, can tell us action, or sometimes it link a sentence, as Neha is a comedian. So here is a linking verb. So what is a verb? It can be action word, it can be linking verb, or it can be helping verb. A verb can be classified as transitive verb or intransitive verb. Transitive verb that denotes an action, which requires an object, direct object, to get complete meaning, to make complete sense. As he drives a car. So here, if I write he drives, so it is incomplete. It is not making any sense. What he drives, until or unless I will not use a car, so my sentence will not give me complete sense. So the verbs that requires direct object to make their sense complete, they are said transitive verb. She drinks coffee every morning. What does she drink? Coffee. So here drinks is working as a transitive verb. Intransitive verb. A verb that does not require any object to make complete sense is said to be intransitive verb. The words that play the role of action words and does not require any object to make complete sense, such type of verbs are said intransitive verb. As I sleep. So here the words I sleep are making complete sense. This sentence I sleep is making complete sense. So here I do not need to add any direct object. So the word sleep is working as an intransitive verb in this sentence. Next one, she sings sweetly. Here, though I use the word sweetly, but it's not a direct object. It's an adverb. So, sings word is used here as intransitive verb. Basically, what is the difference between transitive and intransitive verb? Transitive verbs are used in a sentence, and to make the complete sense, they need a direct object. While using the intransitive verb, we do not require any object to make the complete sense. How can we use a verb transitively and intransitively? Sometimes same verb can be used transitively as well as intransitively. It depends on sentence. As he is ringing the bell. He is ringing the bell. So here the bell is a direct object And ringing is a transitive verb because it requires a direct object to make the complete sense. While the bell is ringing, here we do not need any object to make complete sense. It is complete in itself. So the bell is ringing. Here the word ringing is making complete sense. So it is intransitive, means ringing word can be used as transitively as well as intransitively. The boys fly kites. Here I use the verb fly as transitively because the boys fly what? It needs a direct object. But the birds fly. Here it is. The word fly is working as intransitive verb because it does not require any direct object to make the complete sense. The driver stopped the train. Here the driver stopped what? So the word stopped is used as transitively verb, as a transitive verb because it requires an object to make complete sense. While the train stopped suddenly. Here the word stopped is an action verb and it is used as intransitively because it does not require any object to make complete sense. The little girl sang a song. The little girl sang a song. Here the verb is sang and it requires a object to make complete sense. While the little girl sang sweetly. Here we have not used any object to make the sentence complete. We used an adverb. An adverb is not an object. Okay? So in these sentences, same verb can be used transitively as well as intransitively. There are few words, few verbs that can be used transitively as well as intransitively, while few words are used only transitively and few are used only intransitively. Transitive and intransitive clear to us, and it's turn of verbs of incomplete predication. What are verbs of incomplete predication? When an intransitive verb require any word or phrase to make complete sense, these verbs are said verbs of incomplete predication. Remember, these are intransitive verbs because they do not require any direct object. They require a word to make the complete sense. A word or a couple of words or sometime a phrase. As she looks pretty. So here the word pretty is required to make the complete sense. He became a doctor. Here he became what? Until or unless we will not use a doctor, it is not making any sense. The woman seems tired. Here if I use only seems, so it is not making any sense. So the verbs that are used in these three sentences, they are verbs of incomplete predication. They are examples of verbs of incomplete predication. Okay. There are few more verbs that are used verbs of incomplete predication like looks, became, feel. Okay. So looks, became and seems are verbs of incomplete predication, and the words that are required to make the complete sense as pretty, doctor and tired, they are said complement. Complement of the predicate. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please do like and share our videos and do not forget to subscribe our channel.